Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Now the US dollar, it's hanging on by a thread at the moment, and these key levels we've been talking about over the last week at the moment are holding. So to talk about the dollar index, we've seen the dollar index pull back on a weekly dramatically, but down to a 79 fib retracement level on a weekly and a major level of previous support. Now I'm going to put up all these key levels in a moment, but before we do that, before people think, well, these levels are holding, let's trade off them, I want you to consider that the rest of the week we've got some major data releases and news announcements. So to quickly run through those, on the US side, they're going to be coming out with their inflation data or their CPI data, both for the month and then of course affecting the year, expecting a bit of a pullback, right? But then the next day they're going to be announcing an interest rate hike. In this case, it could be 50 basis point as per their forecast. Now the pound's doing the same thing. They're coming out with their CPI data and then following it up later in the week with an interest rate announcement, a 50 basis point announcement also. Now on the euro side, if you think things could get any crazier, the euro is announcing a potential 50 basis point forecast rate hike as well. So we've also got some employment data coming out on these major currencies, both here in Australia, overseas, New Zealand. So it's going to be a very interesting end to this week. And if you're looking at these key levels to trade off, which I will put up for you in just a second, then keep in mind we could get a lot of volatility as we start to find out whether the world is as aggressive as it's telling us that it is in fighting inflation, or are they starting to take the foot back off the pedal as we've been suggesting here from ACY over the last number of months. Well, good luck with your trading, everybody, and good luck to the planet on inflation and raising rates.